Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post a story on Instagram. Let's get started. Here I have my Instagram open and we're going to post a story. So the first thing we're going to do is we can swipe left our screen like this, and then make sure that we choose story right here, and we can take a picture by clicking on this button, or we can also upload a video or photo by clicking on this button. Then we can choose the photo or video from our gallery, and for me I'm just going to wait guys, I'm just going to choose this picture to be uploaded to my story. And we can add sticker or music, and if we want to add sticker we can click on the sticker button, and I'm just going to add the sticker. So just tap on it, and we can also add text and add music, and we can move the sticker to the part of the photo that we like, and we can zoom in or zoom out like this. And after that, after we are done editing our story, we can click on your story right here to share our story to our followers. So just tap on it and wait, the story is being uploaded, and we can check it our story by clicking on the story button right here. Okay guys, and that's how we can post a story on Instagram. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.